Now we are doing the last problem on the D'Alembert principle. A thin heavy disk can turn freely about an axis in its own plane, and this axis revolves horizontally with a uniform angular velocity w about a fixed point on itself, so that the inclination of the plane of the disk to be to the vertical is cos inverse g h upon k square w, where h is the distance of the center of the disk from the axis and k is the radius of the gyration of the disk about the axis. If w square less than 2 gh upon k square, then the plane of the disk is vertical. Now see the graph. According to this, here in this problem given is a thin heavy disk can turn freely about an axis OA in its plane. This axis OA resolves horizontally with a uniform angular velocity w about a fixed point A on itself. What we want to prove is the inclination theta of the plane of the disk to the vertical is cos inverse gh upon k square w square, where h is the distance of g from OA and k is the radius of gyration of the disk about O. While revolving horizontal about the vertical AN, the disk will be tightly slightly from its vertical position. Let theta be the angle that the plane of the disk makes with the horizontal OZ. OP makes an angle theta with OZ. Draw perpendiculars PL and PN from P on the vertical through O and A respectively as the system revolves the small element P of the mass delta m of the disk. Describe a circle about n. The effective force acting on the particle on the small element is delta m Pn w square along np. Also Pn equal to Pn radius vector equal to Pn vector equal to PL plus Ln. And now from the graph, from the figure, we will get this equation. Since the sum of the moment of the effective force is equal to sum of the moment of the external forces. Now the moment of the force F about OA equal to force SD sin theta HF sin theta. Taking moment about A, we will get this equation. By triangle OPL, the moment of the force delta m W square Ln about OA will be 0. Delta m W square. Now second step is this. Now summation of delta m OP equal to mk square mi of the disk about OP. Now finally we will get in the form of the solution the last equation, cos theta equal to gh upon w square k square. W square k square greater than 2 gh. Now the second part of the same problem is, if w square is less than 2 gh upon k square, the disk will be vertical with w square is less than 2 gh upon k square, which is not possible because cos theta is not greater than to 1. It is only possible then sin theta equal to 0, therefore theta is equal to 0. Therefore this is vertical. Thank you.